Hey guys, Tim Thomas here. Welcome to the video. Welcome to the video. I'm super excited to talk to you. There's something I need you to do today. It's very important, and that's why I record this video. We're going to get into the crazy cash flyers. So a couple more flyers I'm going to show you. This cash flyers on fire, and there's something that you need to do today, and I'm going to tell you why you need to do it. We'll talk about it on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here, guys. Turn your speakers up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. If someone upload a video, you'll be first to know. Make sure you like the video. I really would appreciate it, guys. Try this video up to 15 likes. It will really help me out with the ranking of the video. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for viewing these videos. Thank you so much for hitting the like button. Could you give you 50, 60, 70 more years of good luck? You never know. Now, I want you to take a look, guys. Walk around the channel. I've got great opportunities here. The supplement grid. I want to appreciate all of you that have partnered with me in these programs and are continuing to partner on a daily basis. Thank you so much. I could not be more excited. Let me slow down a minute. Sometimes I get to run at 100, but and I'm excited, guys, about what we got in front of us. We've got, and I'm gonna tell you what the sense of urgency is about. But when you get a chance, look at it. The people's supplement call was great last night. And I'm going to tell you what Mike Shoma said on the call last night, and it resonated with me. Jamie did a great call last night, so very excited about that. So guys, we've got the crazy cash flyer going. We've got matrix programs going. We got I Keep It all.com is incredible. The fast money, not the fast money, the fast mail order system flyer is incredible, guys. So we're very excited. We're going to end this video. I am going to really focus. I want you to get involved in this crazy cash flyer, and I'm going to tell you why, or any of them. Now, guys, look at these flyers here. I am mailing this flyer daily, and people are signing up this $1,000 cash solution. These flyer programs are astounding as to what they can do for you, and I'm going to tell you why you want to look at, not only look, but get involved today. There's that fast mail order system flyer. It costs $250 to join. And all of these things are on my channel. The fast mail order system flyer, the United Cash Express. You can just go to my YouTube channel and keep that in the search bar and the name of the flyer, and it'll give you a video talking about them. Now, what you want to do today, if at all possible, if you can do this today, you need to take a strong few minutes, look at this flyer, and join today if you can. Request it today. If you've already requested, get it in the mail today. If you want to go through Cash App, I would do it today. And I'm going to tell you why, the sense of urgency. Of course, we're going to talk about what we feel you can make with this flyer. Got to throw out an income disclaimer. Disclaimer, guys, nothing in life happens for us until we take action. We can mail you the marketing kit. You set it on your dresser and do nothing with it. It won't do you any good. But if you put this thing to action, folks, the sky can be literally the limit as to what you can do in these programs. Let me tell you what I have done and what I am currently doing with these flyers. And I want to talk about the urgency of now. Money loves speed. Money loves speed. And what you want to do today is request a flyer. Go ahead and get the mail list ordered today. Get it off. And guys, I can get you a PDF of this flyer with your name and your address printed here, so you can send it to the copier and go and have them make copies of it. What's getting ready to happen? We see it every year. January the 15th, Mike Shoma said last night on the call that January 15th, work at home begins to explode again. It's just like the fall repeating itself, and we're going into tax season. Guys, this thing will run red hot through June. All the way through June, and you want to get in position and to get hundreds of flyers out there in the hands of people right now. January 15th, it is just a thrush of people will be looking to join these programs, and you want to get in position right now to go ahead and start mailing flyers all through January, February, and you want to go now. Get hundreds of them out there, guys. Now, a flyer like this that's converting gangbusters. And I'm going to tell you why it's converting so high and why you want to get in position today in any of these flyers. I want you in this one or any one that you decide to choose. The Millionaire Mailer is exploding. But I haven't got a lot of videos on this. That's why I'm really focusing on this right this second. But all these flyers are working, and you want to get a bunch of them out there. This Crazy Cash Flyer, folks, people can join for $450, get the product. $450. You send $100. You send $100 to the admin. Once you send $100 to the admin will fulfill the product fulfillment. Absolutely incredible. Now let me show you this, guys. This is what I have done. I went to Staples, got me a box of envelopes of 500. Guys, a regular box of envelopes of 500, and I got me a red stamp, and they'll make them for you for about $20. Urgent, time sensitive, guys. That's a good note. Write that down. Are you picking up what I'm putting down, guys? I'm showing you how to get money up in your house, and I mean lots of it. The only thing I can't do is come to the house and physically do it for you. Remaining consistent, and look at that. That's a right there. That will cause your response rate to go up. That will open your envelope more. And I got me a regular stamp with my name on it, guys. And both of them cost about $20 a piece with my return address. And I stamp, boom, stamp, boom, 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 and put a name label. Put a name label on it, guys. And I put this flyer. I print this flyer here. You can do it on 2 separate sheets of paper. I'm doing mine front and back. Or you can do it. It's up to you. It's personal preference. And then you can come over to Best Value Copy, guys. Look at this here, and they can print flyers. Come right down here, guys. This have made me so much money. I've sent my PDF to Best Value Copy, and they will print them for you, and they'll ship them to your house, set them on your front porch. So you can have your envelopes ready. And look at this, guys. I'm going to show you this. This is exciting times ahead, folks. Do not play with your future. I mean, there is no excuse for people not having the money that they want in their house. I mean, if you want hundreds of dollars a week, get it. If you want thousands of dollars a month, get it. And I'm showing you the retools to be successful, and you just put it to action, and you do it over and over again. Don't just go mail 20 flyers and say my dreams didn't come true. Don't do that, but you stay after it. Look, here's the mailing list, guys, I'm recommending. This young lady down here, I'm referring you to her. The leads over at Mountain Marketing. I'm getting a lot of signups off this lead list, guys. I'll send this to you. Also, Randy Wolf in Florida, Wolf Enterprises, Wilson's List. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Wilson's List, leads by Mountain Marketing. You got Data Marketing. Those are people that I'm using. And if you're going to do, like I said, 1,000-piece mailing, get 500 from this list, 500 from that list, and you're diversifying. Gosh, this is incredible information. Pick up what I'm putting down, guys. Hit that like button, and we'll go from there. Let's go over this flyer. Let me tell you why people are getting so excited. Nobody's seen it. Folks, there are 47,000 people in this county that I live in, and there's 100 people in the county. Folks, this thing could run red hot up to 10,000 people. I mean, in a matter of a year, and you being in front of it, and you're receiving those payments over and over and over and over and over again. Nobody's seen it, and that is incredible. Folks, the Millionaire Mailer, I took 3 calls just yesterday on the Millionaire Mailer. I got 2 $500 people coming in with the Millionaire Mailer, and I've got 1 $250 coming in next week. That thing's been running for 8 years. Tell me flyer programs don't work, and I'll tell you something wrong. Ask me how I know. Woo! Okay, let's look at this. Oh my God, this Crazy Cash Flyer is incredible. You need to join today. Not tomorrow, not next week. If you already requested the flyer, get it in the mail today. If you can beat it to the post office, I'd go today. And then let's get you a PDF. If you want a PDF, we'll get you a PDF. If not, the owner's going to send you a copy of your flyer in the mail. So the PDF is not a requirement. It's just something that I do because I want to get it over to Best Value Copy. Absolutely incredible, folks. 450 is mailed to you. It has psychological triggers. Look at this young man right here, and we'll talk about him in just a minute down there in Texas, receiving just a boatload of cash. You receive the exact copy of this flyer when you join. And all you do, guys, is just remain consistent. Can you fold a letter? Folks, I mail over 50 to 100 pieces a day. 50 to 100 a day, and the results have been astounding. And I'm going to do some proof videos for you next week. Anyway, just incredible. And in fact, I had a Cash App come in today. Somebody sent the 450 straight to Cash App. There it is right there. So I could not be more excited about what we've got going on. Folks, let me tell you what, if you can mail this flyer, remain consistent till you get sales, it has a 90-day money back guarantee. Where are you going to get that from? This is the one you've been waiting for, folks. This is the time. Imagine you can start making $100,000 a year because you're doing it over and over again. Folks, I sent off for 2,000 of one flyer, and I sent off 1,000 of this flyer, and I'm just mailing over and over and over and over again. And folks, that's how you do it. When you order today, you're going to get access to a print and mail service, folks. The company will do a print and mail service for you. Look at that envelope, folks. That's the envelope that is provided by the company. That's incredible. While you're waiting, if you order this envelope while you're waiting, you can follow what I'm doing. Both of them work, folks. Your main goal, whether you get this envelope or not, I endorse it. Get to start mailing and get it in the hands of people. And January the 15th, the bottom falls out, and it runs red hot through June. I mean, a thrust of people. We're looking for New Year's resolutions to make changes in their life. Can you do that? Exciting times, folks. You're going to access to the 500 print and mail service, 500 piece print and mail service. Imagine getting 15 $450 sales out, 15 of them, folks, out of 500 color flyers that we mail for you. That's a whopping $6,750 in cash. What if you only get 5 sales, folks? What if you're going to get 5 sales out of the sales that they mail for you? Folks, that's $2,250. Folks, the cash mail order system package. Folks, this is absolutely exciting. Your product, well, Timothy, what is the product? The product, you're going to get 450 cash mail order package. What's going to be, you're going to get 300 premium leads. These are buyer leads on pill and stick labels. You're going to get 300 forever stamps. Folks, you're talking about over a $250 value. $250 value in the 300 buyer leads and the stamps. Do the math, guys. Look at what you're getting. And you're going to get the resales right to this program. Incredible. Folks, now the 500 print and mail service, that's an optional product that you have to buy from the company. The normal price, guys, for this whole package is $1,500. Better grab it now for $450. There's room in that this price could even go up. Folks, important, you'll receive 100% of the commission product package. No pass-ups, no matrices, no 80-20 split. This is not MLM. All the flyers are customized with your name and your information right here. You don't have to have your phone number put on there because you're going to get an optional cover letter, and you can mail it with this cover letter here. They can call Rob, the owner of the program, to answer any questions you may have. Folks, this is exciting times in front of us. Can you hit the like button? And my video has stopped. Okay. Folks, fill out the flyer, name and address, and get it over, and let's roll, guys. It is time out for not having enough. We need to declare war over the things that we need, everything that we need. You need to go out and declare war over poverty, over lack, over not having enough, not having the dreams, not having the bank account of your dreams. Folks, we've got systems that you're going to plug into, and you're going to go. Like this program here, guys, I market let me tell you what the key to success, guys. I market these big ticket programs on the front end, these middle and big ticket programs. And on the back end, I build the supplement grid and the live goods and all those residual income programs. Because, you don't make a lot of money with them up front, but over time, you can build up things out to $10,000 per month. It is possible. Shameless plug for the supplement grid. But anyway, let's go ahead. Let's go move. It says, are you tired of getting burned by opportunity that don't work? Folks, we've got a program that can and will pour $450 cash payments and money order payments into your mailbox like crazy. Folks, ain't it time to go out to your mailbox and start receiving 5, 10 of these in a month's time? You get real good at it. You can have 3, 4, 5 a week. Folks, get this program today. Get started. Call Rod if you have any questions. 90-day money back guarantee. Let's go up here real quick. Not Rod. This is Rod. Roy from South Carolina made $5,520. Let me move me out of the way and so you can see Roy. Roy's having a good time down there in South Carolina. With the Crazy Cash Flyer. Order your product package today. There's James Truss. James from the Truss Group LLC. James having fun. Look at him holding up cash. $900 in one day. He got 2 orders. Folks, and we're nothing special. We're nothing special. But we're just ordinary people doing extraordinary things. You believe it, you can win it. You can achieve it. If if belief starts in your mind. If you believe that your wealth will come to you from the north, south, east, west, sideways, up and down. Wealth will come to you when others said that it's not going to come to you. Wealth will surround you. You could money affirmations, folks. You can declare, I am wealthy beyond my wildest imagination. That's what you got to say on a daily basis. Money is attracted to me. Every time I turn around, something comes into my hand. That's what you have to say. Those money affirmations. And when you do that, let me get off that subject. Folks, I'm excited about the Crazy Cash Flyer. Request it today. January 15th is right around the corner. I want you in this thing. I want you in there today. If you want to do Cash App, we'll do that. And you can get this thing ordered today. Get some mailing lists ordered. Go on down there. Get you some envelopes ready. So when the flyers hit the front porch, boom, you're going to order. Guys, I didn't give you the plan for success. The only thing I can't do is come to the house and do it for you. Folks, I enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really, really want you to win so big. It ain't about me and how much money I can make. It's about how much people we can make. In life, you help enough people get what they want. You can have everything in this life that you want. Absolutely. Move you out the way. And it's about helping another person. Have a wonderful day, guys. Again, thank all of you for partnering with me in any of these programs. 2023 is going to be a record-breaking year. Unlike we've never seen. Your head's going to spin with some of these programs. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.